Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the common whitetail in Heartopia. This is a dragonfly, a unique dragonfly with white colors like this, and I think it's so beautiful. And if you are a collector, you definitely must have this one. And you can find this dragonfly, this unique dragonfly, at the river bank, any river in Heartopia. So just go to the river bank, and then for the time it appears all day, and then for the weathers it spawns during rainy and rainbow weathers. So you must go to the river bank at the sunny or rainbow to catch this insect. And to increase your drop rate, you can use an insect attractor to boost insect spawns, and it will make it easier for you to find this dragonfly faster. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.